Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is an easy peasy out of California. It is a 32 count, four wall dance that moves counterclockwise. The name of the dance is Sule'S Elks Stepping. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, watch till the end. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Please leave me a comment. I love to hear from y'all guys. So are you ready? Let's get busy. So let's stand on this side of the room right here. So stand on this side looking in this direction, okay? So we're standing side by side. You can see my footwork and I can see yours, okay? So we're gonna start with something like a basic on the right. So we're gonna cross right, left, left, right, left. And we're gonna do a push and pull 3 times, then we're gonna tap out on the left. So this is where I'm going. Right, left, left, right, right, tap out left. Again, 5, 6, 7. Cross it over, right over left, left, right, left. You're going to do a push and pull. So you go forward with that right, you go right, left, right, put that weight on the right, then tap out on the left. Because the same thing you did on the right, you're going to do on the left. So we're going to cross over on the left. Left, right, and we're going to push and pull on the left. Left, left, then tap right. So we only push and pull 3 times. On that 4th time, we tap. Okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, tap left, cross left, right, push left, tap right. Okay? So we're gonna work this wall. I'm gonna turn this way just so you can see my footwork. Okay? So we're crossing over. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, tap left, left, tap right. So make sure you do your taps, okay? Your taps are important for your transition, okay? So remember to add those taps. Now we're gonna do just a cha-cha with a step pivot, half turn, cha-cha left, step pivot, half turn. So our last step was tap on the right. So we're just gonna shuffle up and step pivot half. Right, step left, pivot half, cha-cha left. Left, step right, pivot half. Coming back to the same wall. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and right, step left, pivot half. Left, step right, pivot half. Okay? And we back at our wall. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. Right, left, push right, tap out left, right, push right, left, tap right, cha-cha right, step pivot half, left, step pivot half. All right? From here, we're going to add 2 jazz square. I told you that the dance was a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So we're going to do a jazz square, right, left, and remember it's 4 steps. Right, left, and then we're going to cross and turn on that second one. Right, left, and my weight is on my left. Again, so we did 2 jazz squares. Right, left. Remember it's 4 counts, 4 steps. That second time, we're going to do a quarter turn to our left. Right, left. And that's the dance that we're at our new wall, moving counterclockwise. Okay? So let's put it together. 32 count. Real easy peasy. Instructors, you can probably call this out. This is really a dance you can catch on the floor. So sometimes I'll go into my beginner's class, I'll put the music on, and I won't even call it out. I'll say, pick it up on the floor. Pick it up on the floor, y'all. Take a look at it. Look at the steps and just pick it up. And they'll watch it and they'll pick it up. Now, I might have to remind them about adding the tap for the transition. And that's it. You don't have to teach everything. So why do I do that? So I do that because when you go to the event, your people not going to know every last dance, okay? But there's some dances that they'll be able to pick up just by looking at it. So they're able to do that when they practice picking up dances on the floor. So that's why when I'm in class, I make them practice. I'll just throw it out there. I'll just start doing the dance and let them pick it up on the floor, okay? Practice makes perfect, okay? So here you go. So don't think you have to teach everything, okay? You can just let them watch it, or you can cue it. Sometimes I'll just cue it. I won't teach it. I'll put the music on. I start dancing, start cueing it, and they'll pick it up, okay? And it's just a practice, and before you know it, they won't even need to cue it. If it's a dance, I'm not talking about intermediate dance. I'm talking about a beginner dance that they can just watch. It's 32 counts, might be a little more than that, and they can pick it up on the floor. But that comes with practice, all right? So here we go. Let's let's go back to the top. So just for a review, we cross it over on the right, cross it over the left, do the push and pull, we cha-cha pivot half, cha-cha pivot half, we do a jazz square, and then we turn on that second jazz square. Remembering when we do the crossover to add the tap. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Cha-cha 1 and 2, 3, 4, left 5 and 6, 7, 8, jazz. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Push 5, 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, left 5 and 6, 7, 8, jazz. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Push 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Push 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Cha-cha 1 and 2. Half 3, 4 left 5 and 6, 7, 8. Jazz. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that is the dance. 4-wall dance, moving clockwise. That's Sule'S Elks stepping. Watch till the end. Let's dance together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video too. Please leave me a comment. I always look forward to reading the comments. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.